Hey guys, it's Dandy Randy here at Greeneway RV. I'm here with the Puma 403 Loft. This is the hottest Puma, probably the hottest destination on the market right now. We haven't had a lot of these in stock. We just got one in for stock. Let's go take a look at it. Folks, again, we're inside the 2026 Puma 403 Loft, the hottest one on the market. I'm not going to have this in stock long. Give me a call today at 715-325-5170. It's got new colors, new packages. It's ready to get in your lot today. Give me a call, 715-325-5170. Again, I'm Dandy Randy, Greenway RV. Peace out.